Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to access the PS5 web browser. Go to settings from top right, then go to system. Then go to web browser, then toggle off the JavaScript. Then press the PlayStation button. Then go to the game base, then send message to anyone like google.com. Then click on that message, then go to settings icon and click on it. Then select network, then select connection status. Then select view PlayStation network status. Now scroll down and click on YouTube icon. Now click on sign in from top right. Then select privacy from bottom. Now click on top right square box beside sign in button. Then click on search. By following these steps, you can access the PS5 web browser.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.